What are conjunctions? I mean, really, if you think about it, and once we talk to you right now, you're gonna understand conjunctions so well. It begins now. Conjunctions are words that join together other words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. There are three main types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. And we're going to break each one down piece by piece with examples so that you can really get it. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join words or phrases or clauses of equal syntactic importance. What does that mean? Well, we'll talk about that in a minute. The most common coordinating conjunctions are and, or, and but. And, or, and but. These are the most common coordinating conjunctions. What are words, phrases, or clauses of equal syntactic importance mean? Well, first it sounds kind of cool or a little over the top. Syntactic importance. It means they're equal on both sides. You can see the clauses are equal on both sides. They could be interchangeable and it wouldn't affect anything. We'll give you some examples. So I'll have a coffee and a muffin for breakfast. I'll have a coffee and a muffin for breakfast. And is the coordinating conjunction. It joins two equal sides. I'll have a coffee and a muffin for breakfast. You could say, I'll have a muffin and coffee for breakfast. It would have the same impact. You can have the last piece of cake, or you can have a cookie. You can have the last piece of cake, or a cookie. You can have a cookie or the last piece of cake. You see, they're of equal syntactic importance. The weather was nice today, but it might rain tomorrow. The weather was nice today, but it might rain tomorrow. It might rain tomorrow, but the weather was nice today. You see, equal syntactic importance on both sides. These are the coordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions join a dependent clause to an independent clause, indicating a relationship of subordination between the clauses. Some common subordinating conjunctions are because, since, while, as, and although. Subordinating conjunctions join dependent clauses to an independent clause. That's going to be very important in just a moment. An example would be, I'll go to the store because I need to buy some milk. I will go to the store because I need to buy some milk. Can you see that? I will go to the store because is not independent. It's very dependent. There has to be more to it to make it make sense. I will go to the store because, why? Because I need to buy some milk. Now, I need to buy some milk can stand on its own. That can be a statement. I need to buy some milk. But when you put the dependent clause before it, I will go to the store because. You see, you need the because there. You need the subordinating conjunction. Example, since you're feeling better, do you want to go for a walk? Since you're feeling better cannot stand on its own. It is a dependent clause. Since you're feeling better is not a statement by itself. It needs something else. It is dependent. The independent clause is joined after the comma. Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk can stand on its own. It is independent. So joining an independent clause to a dependent clause, since would be the subordinate conjunction. Since you're feeling better, comma, do you want to go for a walk? You see how they come together? They marry well together. Example, While I was at the store, I saw an amazing suit that I might buy. While I was at the store cannot stand on its own, it is dependent. We need an independent clause to make this a subordinate conjunction. While I was at the store, I saw an amazing suit that I might buy. While is the subordinating conjunction. The dependent clause is while I was at the store, and the independent clause after the comma is I saw an amazing suit that I might buy. You'll start to see the patterns in these, and we'll have a summary at the end of all of this that will completely bring it all together and make sense. Correlative conjunctions, or you can say correlative or correlative. Correlative, however you want to say it. Correlative conjunctions come in pairs and are used to link words, phrases, or clauses that are equivalent in syntactic importance. There's that expression again. Some common correlative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, not only but also, and whether or. Example: you can either have a sandwich or a salad for lunch. You can either have a sandwich or a salad for lunch. You see the equal syntactic importance. You can reverse those and have the same expression. You can either have a salad or a sandwich for lunch. They're equal on both sides. But the either or is what distinguishes this as a correlative conjunction. Example: she is neither tall nor short. She is neither tall nor short. You see that? They're equal on each side, tall, short. Equal descriptions. You could say she is neither short nor tall. It would have no impact. This is a correlative conjunction because of the two words used in the connection. She is neither tall nor short. Two words distinguish this as a correlative conjunction. Example: not only did she win the race, but she also set a new record. Not only did she win the race, but she also set a new record. They're equal on both sides. You can say, not only did she set a new record, but she won the race. You can switch it and still have the same impact. Correlative conjunctions have two words. It is important to note that conjunctions are a type of connecting word, and they serve a specific grammatical function in a sentence. They are used to link words, phrases, and clauses together and to indicate the relationship between them. Without conjunctions, our sentences would be much less flexible and expressive. All right, in summary, coordinating conjunctions are going to have and, or, and but. They're going to have two equal-sided connections with those familiar words. Subordinating conjunctions are going to have an independent and a dependent clause connected, meaning the independent clause can stand by itself, but the dependent clause requires to be connected. And the examples we gave you, remember we were talking about I'll go to the store because I need to buy some milk. And since you're feeling better, do you want to go for a walk? You see how they're connected. And the third kind of conjunction is correlative conjunction. And that one is going to be signified by having two words. They're in pairs. Remember, they were either or, neither nor. Not only, but also, whether or. So those are the clues so that you can identify easily the three different types of conjunctions. Now practice them. Look up several different sentences, different types of conjunctions, mix them all up, and then see if you can recognize these patterns. Not just the key words, but the character of the clauses around the keywords. This has been Teliko Vima English, bringing you through the final steps of fluency.
Please subscribe, like, and share to show your support.